it's Molly. Tonight I'm going to be testing out a comparison of Liquitex Gloss Medium Varnish and Creative Inspirations Gloss Medium Varnish in my colander pour. I'd had someone ask for peacock colors. I did a beautiful small canvas Dutch pour with lime greens and purples and blues, and I'm going to use those same colors again. I do have square canvases. They're not circular this time around. I didn't have any. I only have one, and I wanted to do a comparison on both. And then I'll show you how I mix the colors or how I layer them into the cup rather, and then I'll walk you through the steps and we'll see if there's any difference. I don't know, because I had never used the Liquitex Gloss Medium Varnish, so I'm excited to see what it's going to turn out like. Okay, so I've got canvas A, canvas B, all my colors set up, and I've got Creative Inspirations on this side and Liquitex on this side. So we'll say A over here, B over here, and that's it. I'm gonna get layering into the cup. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Liquitex side, and I hope that paint is thick enough. That's my lime that I made up. You can see it leaves a trace, little mound on the top. So let's see. If the white is too thin, then it won't make the effect. So I'm going to start like that. Can you guys see that cup? I move it like that. Get on in there. Okay. So that was my lime. Let me see, what do I want to go with next? I think I'm going to go with the bright blue next. I'm just going to pour down the cup again. Turn the cup. Okay. And I'm going to try to do at least 2 layers. I think I'm going to go with purple next. I'm going to try to at least do 2 layers of each. I think I'm going to do the purple down that side and down that side. Okay, so I'm gonna layer the cups just like this. Probably, this is a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, so I'm not gonna use, this is an 18-ounce cup. I'm not gonna use the whole cup, but I'll probably use half of the cup, maybe a little bit more. But I will finish layering. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Creative Inspirations side. These are square canvases. I didn't have any more round ones, so we'll just have to go with it. I'm going to pour just a thin line right in the center and just let the paint do its thing. Where's my lime in this one? The cool thing about these Arteza canvases is that they come with these little shims, and you can put them in the bottom and tighten them up. A lot of other canvases come with them as well, but some people don't even know what they are. Okay, I'm procrastinating. Let me lift this up. Lift up very slowly. Let the paint start to drip out. That's what makes the design. Take it away. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's got a beautiful center. Let me show you that one. A lot of white on the outside of that one. That's got a gorgeous center. Let's see if it holds up when I stretch it out. That's my red, so this is my regular mix. And then, let me move this to the side. This is, you guys might want to be able to see the other canvas, huh? Scooted you over just a little bit so you can see. So this is the Liquitex side here. Same thing, just gonna pour out slowly, starting just in the center. Oop, there was a big glob of something in that one. There were a bunch of globs in that one. We'll have to see how that comes out. I may have to pick some of that stuff out. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna lift up slowly. Let the design just drip out. Okay. A little bit different, but beautiful flower on the inside of this one too. Wow, they're both so pretty. Can you guys see that? They're both gorgeous. My paint may be a little bit thicker in this one than it is, so I'm gonna bring you back over to the other canvas so that I can stretch it out. Okay. So I'm gonna go very slowly. I'm gonna go up first, just to over the edge and then back, over, if I don't get to the edge, that's fine, I'll do it with the balloon. Okay. Trying to hold my center. A little bit of it went off the edge already. Want some of that paint back over here. Let me get it over here so you guys can still see it. Okay, bring it back. Now I'm gonna go back over this way. So I see where the weight of the paint is. The weight of the paint started all the way up there. So I'm gonna get the weight of the paint down to here. Then I'm gonna slide on over. So square canvases are much more difficult than round canvases for this design, for those of you that are trying it. Back to center, down this way and over. The stretching is really the most important part of the entire design, because if you stretch too fast or you don't come back to center, the design won't hold. Oh man, that's beautiful. Got a little bit of a weird thing happening right in here. I don't really know what that is. I'll touch up my corners in a little bit. So I'm gonna try to get back down to this side just a little bit more. Oh, I don't think I can do it. I may just have to pull this side out. No, I don't want to mess with it for now because I don't want to ruin the design and mess up the comparison. So I'm just gonna leave it for a second. Okay, and then I'll take you in for a close-up on both of them. So here comes the next one, and this one is the Liquitex. It's a beautiful inner circle design. Okay, weight of my paint's in the center. I'm gonna go down first. Just let it go over the edge. Down over here to the corner. Again, same thing. I don't want to screw it up, so I'm going to leave the corners. Back to center. Down to this side. Now I had the same amount of paint on both of these, but the Liquitex looks like it's not holding its design quite as well. I'm going to keep trying to stretch to that corner, but I can already see the entire design stretching out. Okay. There's one little glob in the paint. Let me get that out now. Okay, I got my glob out. Okay, I'm gonna keep stretching down this way, but it's kind of disappointing because the design's a little bit lost on the sides already. So I'm gonna come back down here this way. Sorry, this was a long video, guys, but I really wanted to show you guys, you know, some people don't have the money or the time to do these experiments, to see which one, and I've had to just tell people, no, I haven't tried it. Yeah, so my design is basically just gone in this one. It's creating some beautiful floral patterns, but I used the same consistency, same ratios, same mixtures. I mean, maybe my tilting was a little bit different, but that was just because I saw the design starting to not do well at the very beginning. There's another blob. That was just paint not mixed well. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a balloon and then get to my corners, and I'll show you the difference in the two of them. So I always have a little balloon handy for this type of thing so that I can just reach it and roll it on around. And you can just touch it up down there. And I'll go back and I'll touch this up more, but I just wanted to show you. So roll it onto the edges. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing that. And then once my edges are done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Okay, here is the close-up of the Liquitex. And it's got a beautiful design. It really does. And the colors are lovely and they're bright, but do you see that? That's not my usual colander pour design. The center didn't hold up very well. It's just kind of messy to me. I really like it. It's a beautiful painting. It's just not my colander pour. So this one, again, there was a little bit of a mishap here in the center. I think just some paint spilled over. But if you look at the actual design, I'm trying to get the light out of there. That's the design that I normally get with those little bug-looking things. So does Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish work? Oh my gosh, that part is so pretty. Wow. And then there's the little balloon in the center. So does it work? Yes. Are either of these perfect? No. Are they both beautiful? Yes. But it does give a good design. All right, y'all, I feel like I've been rambling on for like an hour. So there you go. Little comparison pour. Colander pour with Creative Inspirations. Colander pour with Liquitex pouring medium. Both very thick paints. No, sorry, Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish. Oh gosh, guys, hope I don't confuse you. So there you go. Check my description for the pouring medium. And thank you guys for watching. Happy painting.